believe, yo. Oh my God. Like, yo, babe, do you know what happened?
What happened?
Yo, you remember when we get married? You say, yo, that do us part no matter what. You there for me, yo?
Yeah.
Yo, I can't believe. You remember a couple days ago you said you're not gonna get mad no matter what I do?
Yeah.
You sure you remember?
Yes.
Yo, I can't believe, yo. Oh my God. Guess what happened?
Won't you tell me what happened?
Babe, I'm telling you, I got her pregnant out there. And guess what? Her mom kicking her out and she don't have nowhere to stay. And she coming here with us. Moving here with us. In here? Like,
when?
Babe, I'm telling you, anytime. Like, if it's okay with you though.
Oh no, it's fine, but I have something else to tell you.
We gotta tell you.
I'm pregnant.
Yo, my boss. Yo, you see any baby, my next baby mom? You guys gonna be perfect. Yo, I'm not gonna make sure you're okay though. You know he's a wifey.
Babe, you gotta calm down.
What happened?
I
What
have
happened?
something else to tell you.
What happened?
It's not by you.
So by who? Who that?
My baby father.
Yo, what?
He moving in here.
Moving that way. How old your brother?
Baby father.
Yo, me not tell you no next money, no? Oh,
yeah,
yo. Me never, you have to choose, choose between him and
no,
me.
you gotta choose between me and her.
Yeah, so you make it seem so man, me tell you.
Me have the ring on the finger.
Me understand, but me not tell you this on Monday.
Alright, me not tell you to fool that girl.
Shit. Alright, me just leave it out and done. Alright, you don't know, say Yaadvybz TV. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you follow her on Instagram at
Diva Loca 14. You know the vibes. Come see me.
Yeah, right now she a hairdresser, hairstylist if you want to know.
Come see us at Iconic Trusses. We do all types of hair.